Sony PXW-Z300 17 times zoom so good it feels illegal on a shoulder mount camcorder.
Your camera dies right when the groom kisses the bride. Client turns, you freeze, career flashes before your eyes. Happened to my buddy Marcus last summer. Pure panic. Drop gear betrayal in the comments if your rig has ever humiliated you mid-gig. The Sony PXW-Z300 just made that story ancient history for good.
12-hour wedding days turn your neck into concrete and your footage into jittery regret. Batteries blink red, cards scream full, arms beg for mercy. Picture this instead. One camera that stays rock solid, powered up, and balanced like it's part of you. No chaos, no compromises, just clean, confident shots. Your body is begging for what's next.
Here's the weapon, Sony PXW-Z300, the shoulder mount 3 CMOS XDCAM beast built to outlast your worst day. 3/2-inch Exmor CMOS sensors deliver that creamy broadcast color and low-light magic. 17 times optical zoom, 29 to 534 millimeters equivalent with independent focus, zoom, and iris rings. Motorized ND filters, 4 to 2 to 2 10-bit XDCAM recording, dual tough card slots with relay plus simultaneous backup, triple BPU 35 batteries for 4.5+ hours of nonstop shooting, magnesium alloy body that shrugs off dust and knocks, 2 XLRs with phantom power, HD-SDI out, and the full bundle, LED light, large pro case, 128 gigabytes of tough storage, ready to roll. Last month, Lisa had a corporate keynote go 2 hours overtime. Everyone else scrambled for power while she kept nailing 4K shots without breaking stride. Feel that perfect weight on your shoulder and the silent confidence of gear that never flinches? That's the Z300 effect. Want my secret picture profile for skin tones that make brides cry happy tears? Comment GLOW and I'll send it.
Now you're the guy who looks bored on a 14-hour shoot while everyone else is swapping batteries and cursing focus. One broadcast reviewer said the Z300's 3 CMOS look still smokes most mirrorless rigs in mixed lighting. I stopped bringing 2 cameras. A news shooter told me I ran through rain, heat, and a protest. The camera never blanked and the files dropped straight into Avid. No transcoding, no drama. Thousands of freelancers, documentary teams, and wedding pros upgraded and suddenly have reels that book higher-paying clients without working harder. Some whine it's too big. Cute! Keep shooting handheld jetter while the rest of us deliver steady, color-rich 4K that clients brag about. The included LED lights saves dim receptions, the tough cards survive drops most would cry over, and the shoulder design turns exhaustion into, I could do another ceremony. See why pros quietly replace their entire kits and never post gear failure apologies again? Which part would change your game tomorrow? Never running out of juice, or that 17 times zoom that makes one-man band look like a 3-person crew? Tell me below.
These complete Sony PXW-Z300 bundles disappear faster than breaking news scoops. When they're gone, the wait is long. Join the shooters already working calmer, charging more, and delivering footage that gets them rehired before the edit is done. If your gear is still holding you hostage, click the link, claim yours, and I'll send my one-and-gun settings pack instantly. Comment locked in right now if you're ready to make shaky, underpowered days extinct. Don't just watch, shoulder up and dominate every shoot starting today.